Hello everyone, today we have idiom part 2. Part video I have kept in the description. From description you will take the link and then you can see what idioms are, and there were some other idioms which you will be able to read and you will be able to understand meanings of those in detail. However, in next slide I have put those 5 idioms so that you can read those idioms and then you can also revise it and watch from the video which I pasted in the description. So let's revise previously learnt idioms. These idioms are break the ice, cut to the chase, beat around the bush, keep the ball rolling, let the cat come out of the bag. So if you see all these 5 idioms, you will not find the exact meaning as the word is written. So if you are talking about break the ice, it doesn't mean that we are going to take hammer or we are going to break the ice. It means something else. It means break the silence. Similarly, for cut to the chase, beat around the bush, keep the ball rolling, and let the cat come out of the bag. So if you want to know more about these idioms in detail, please look into the description and there is one link. Please check out that link. I hope you are able to see what is here. I guess yes, you are guessing it correct. These are pickles, or and this idiom is related to it only. And there is a person. It's the person name is Mohan. Now let's see why this person is here in between pickles. So idiom is in a pickle. In a pickle. In a pickle means something, a situation which is difficult or unmanageable. So in a difficult and manageable situation. So for example, Mohan is in a pickle. Mohan is in a pickle. It means Mohan is in a difficult situation. Mohan is in a difficult situation. I hope you are able to get it. You also try and frame more sentences using in a pickle. Oh my god, what is happening over here? Cats and dogs are falling from the sky. Can you guess which idiom is it? Oh, it is related to rain. Absolutely correct. So the idiom is it's cat and dog raining. Can you guess the meaning? It means raining heavily. Raining heavily. For example, I can say, oh, it's cat and dog raining outside. I could not go to the wedding ceremony because it was cat and dog raining. I hope you understood the usage. Now let's go and figure out another idiom. Oh, now I hope you are able to see what is here. A man is smelling something. And what something man is smelling? I hope you know this creature, small creature. Absolutely correct. It's a rat. So another idiom is related to it only. It's smell a rat. Smell a rat. It means to detect something suspicious. To detect something suspicious. For example, CBI smelled a rat and then inquired the suspect. CBI smelled a rat and then inquired the suspect. So whenever there is any suspicious activity is going on and anyone is able to guess it, so you can say that, oh, my teacher smelled a rat and she caught the person. Now let's begin with another example and another idiom. I hope you must be perplexed that why this person has noodles over his head. So our another idiom is related to this only. I hope by now you are able to guess which idiom is it. So it's use your noodle. Use your noodle. It means use your brain and intelligence to think logically and rationally. Use your brain and intelligence to think logically and rationally. For example, questions are easy, just use your noodle. Questions are easy, just use your noodle. This one, which color is it? I hope you guessed which color is it. Think about it. Yes, it's a violet color. So this idiom is related to it only, and it means a shrinking violet. A shrinking violet. It means a shy person. It means a shy person. For example, my cousin Mona is a shrinking violet. My cousin Mona is a shrinking violet. It means my cousin Mona is a shy person. Now, now let's see the usage of these idioms in a paragraph so that you can also start using these idioms while you are speaking or while you are writing any of your articles, any of your story or any paragraphs. For example, Remy, my friend, is a shrinking violet. It is the reason she doesn't easily talk to my family members. Once she was in the pickle when she visited outstation alone, and there she lost her air tickets. That time it was cat and dog raining. She was crying as well. Finally, on the way, she met one of her cousins. When he looked at her, he smelled the rat. After getting to know the situation, he asked her to use her noodle and ask her to see her online record of her ticket in her email. Also suggested her to get a photostat of it. I hope now you are able to understand it and you got it. Thank you so much everybody for learning the idioms. Now like, subscribe to my channel, and for please help others also, share this video with others so that everybody can reach and everybody can learn this. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Keep visiting the channel.